Hi, I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm here at the 2019 ARC Forum. My guest is Markus Bachmann, the North American president of CODESYS. Markus, welcome to the forum.
Thank you, Harry.
CODESYS just changed its name. It used to be a different name, S3, now it's CODESYS. Can you tell me kind of why you decided to change the name?
Yeah, it's been a long history. We've been on the market mostly in Germany for 25 years. And the company started as an engineering office with just a handful of people. And the name that was chosen for that was 3S Engineering. And it turned out that once we came out with our product, CODESYS, which is a programming environment for PLCs, most people associated us with CODESYS, the product, not with 3S, the company. So now we're transitioning over to use the brand name that everyone already knows and is familiar with to use as our company name as well.
Okay, I'm a little confused, and I bet other people are too, that I think of you as being a PLC development environment, but does the product come to end users from the equipment suppliers and the OEMs, or do they buy it directly, or is there both, or how does that work? How do you get to market?
Well, it's a little bit of both. The main focus that we have is OEM customers, so meaning manufacturers of PLC systems and machinery that uses industrial control. So we're not necessarily focused on end users for our main market segment. However, we have some end user products in our portfolio. For example, you can turn a regular PLC industrial PC into a PLC using our software. We have a web store where you can download add-ons to the engineering environment. So we actually do have quite a few products that are available for end users. From a revenue point of view, the main focus for us is OEM customers, and we see those add-ons more as an addition to helping our OEM customers to get their devices on the market.
You mentioned the web store. I've been to your web store. You have a pretty extensive web store and a lot of products on there. Is that used by all your customer base?
Well, every customer has different focus. We're serving very different industries, from automotive all the way to process automation, so all the different industrial sectors. And depending on what sector we're talking about, they have different focus. For example, we have libraries that you can download for the programming environment, for motion control, robotics, which is a specific market, or more generic add-ons you can download is, for example, integration in subversion for revision control systems, and things like automatic, automatic analysis of control code, where you can verify the integrity of code before you even go into the testing phase.
Okay, very interesting. I find your product in more and more different kinds of systems. You certainly have some partners here as well who are customers who have embedded your products as they're into their own portfolio. What kind of trends do you see in the market, and where are you putting your development resources and efforts in the future, say in the next 1 to 2 years? What kind of trends do you expect to see in the market, and how are you answering?
Okay, we see actually quite a few different trends. One is the whole market is turning more into a service-oriented market. So we have products available that specifically add on to just control and building control programs, and going more into the maintenance side, and building products or adding on products in our portfolio that allow to deploy control code on a broader scale, maintain it, verify integrity, and allow technicians in the field for easy replacement and so on.
Okay, when you say on a broader scale, can you explain more to me what you mean by that?
Well, with broader scale, I mean if you have not just 1 or 2 PLCs in one plant, but maybe 100 or thousands, then there's a good likelihood that you have at least 100 of those PLC running pretty much the same program, but maybe not in the same version or with different parameterization parameters, tweaked to different kind of tank or turbine. And what we can leverage on with our new product that we are working on, the automation server, is to deploy that on one central place with a cloud-based solution that allows us to monitor which part of software is running on what kind of controller in the field, and make changes on the fly during runtime, or schedule maintenance breaks with operating personnel to make sure that you can do upgrades or exchanges without interrupting production.
That sounds very interesting. I'd like to hear more about it. Thanks very much for coming. It's
Thank you.
really been nice to talk to you.
Yeah, it was very nice to talk to you.
My guest has been Markus Bachmann, North American President of CODESYS. This is Harry Forbes from the ARC Forum. Thanks for watching.